Welcome everybody, welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Service Private Limited. So I've just shown you Godrej Ananda Phase 3 Tower N, which just recently got opened. So they got 1 BHK apartments available for sale, which will be facing the proposed expressway in between. This is the boundary, and after that we have the proposed expressway, which is planned as per the plan. If you look out, so 1 BHK starts from 49.99 lakhs. Only few units left. Don't miss out, everyone. This is the last opportunity to buy a property in KIADB from Godrej Properties as of today. So we have got 2 BHK apartments available for sale in the project. 2 BHK Jodi starts at somewhere close to 74.99 lakhs, and 3 BHK Jodi starts from 1 crore 9 lakhs excluding other charges. So that's the phase 1. It's raining in Bangalore now. It's almost smooth in 6 o'clock. Reachers, we will be sharing our contact number if you're interested for further details. Don't hesitate to call us and talk to us regarding the property investment in Bangalore, specifically in Godrej Ananda or in KIADB. That's it. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day. Stay safe, everyone.